spicy challenge, so we got these chicken wings.
For $100
And if you win, you get $100. But if you don't, you get nothing.
Second place, you get 50.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
Leah's going first.
Is it spicy?
Mhm.
Nobody said you had to eat it all.
Yeah, you just
You
take
just
a
had to
bite.
take like a bite. What are the rules? Can they have fries? Can they have a Coke?
Yes. All the
But you have to finish it first, right, John?
You just have to
Finish
eat
the
it.
whole thing, yeah.
The whole thing.
Without going on your head. Like acting all crazy about it.
All right, Leo, take a bite of the
Right,
next one.
Well, we already got our first loser,
No.
Isaac.
Isaac.
Take a bite of the next one. Just one bite.
No, you have to finish it. Remember?
No,
we're
just
supposed
take
to
a
say
bite.
I think we did
Okay.
finish.
Do
So
the
that
next
way we can move along. It's gonna take forever.
I'm going. Okay, I'm gonna finish.
No ranch.
No.
No ranch. Just take one bite.
So with nothing?
Was that one spicy?
I thought we were just gonna do like 3 rounds.
Not all that.
What is it?
Was that one spicy?
I thought we were
Okay.
gonna do 3 rounds.
So the last flavor.
The last flavor.
Wait, can I get naked?
You're about to touch your nose.
No, I know. I gotta finish this. I gotta finish it.
I thought we were gonna do 3 rounds.
Ready?
Oh, I gotta finish it. Come
I don't
on.
know what you mean by 3 rounds. So.
Since there's 3 of them, so we go after Leo's done. And then I
Yeah, you're gonna go. You have to
Wait, I
go.
gotta take a drink
But
for.
we have to finish it
No,
off.
no drink to the end.
Yeah.
How many is that?
Take a
one?
big bite.
Okay, she's gonna make me sick.
Are you already eating
Look at me.
it?
You have to finish the last one. You have to finish it.
Wait, I thought you already did.
So you can win the challenge. You have to finish the last one.
I thought you already did.
No, he still has to. You took one bite.
Wait. We have fire. Look at Lexi.
Come on.
Do you give up on the challenge or do you keep eating?
It's $100.
Wait. That's a break right now.
Come on. So we can move on to Kim.
We don't know what to do.
Girl, you better save some of them fries for after.
Hey, I like fries.
How about more?
I gotta make it there. I
What?
gotta eat this.
Your nose is running. No, you gotta eat the spicy one. Take another bite.
I gotta take another bite before. No matter how many bites it takes.
All right, go, Kim.
Hey, I'm not.
Well, we'll see if you finish it. Go, Kim. Okay. That was spicy?
Not really.
No, you should have told me after, but we don't have to finish
The next one now?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
I just want to taste more sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, give me that.
Then,
You have to finish it. You have to finish it.
oh, you said to take a bite.
Whoever finishes a hot one gets the
Spicy.
You
$100.
said to take a bite.
No.
Whoever finishes the most spicy one gets the $100.
Yeah, or else all of us can't win.
You're lying.
So whoever finishes the last one. Okay, well, I'm gonna go too, and then we'll finish it.
Okay, yeah.
This one's
No
good.
more, no more. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
Now look.
You want another plate?
Oh my god.
Here.
Mom, I got a winner. Mom, I know one done. Again.
Can you get me one too?
A big spicy.
Okay, you do it.
I had to. I'm gonna bite.
Ready to pour it? Pour it? There.
No, I'm not going yet. I went down before.
Whoever finishes first.
Mom, look. That got win.
Come on, you want $100? Y'all making that look good.
Let's go. Give me that $100.
Let's see a little bit.
Where? Oh, right here?
Uh-huh.
Second place for $50.
There, I finished. And $100.
I don't know, look right there. It still has them right there.
I'm gonna beat you for $50.
There.
Mama.
There, Mom. Can I drink now?
All right, Daddy said you can have fries and drink now. Don't touch your face or your eyes.
Ah.
Why are you sweaty too?
Yeah.
I finished first place for the $100, guys.
I give up.
How is it, Kim? Is it spicy?
No, that was more.
But you can
He
handle
said
it?
he said he lost. He said he done.
I
But
give
you
up.
still gotta finish if you want second place.
What?
If you want second place, you still gotta finish it. Dad just forfeited.
Yeah, that means he still could beat you. So, right, Mom?
You're almost done. Don't give up.
Okay, you could forfeit because I need the most.
Yeah. Okay.
But you're trying to win. $50.
Mom, you can believe I bought $100?
Mm-hmm. Get the prizes out.
Huh?
Get the prizes out.
Mom. Whoa, we have one.
I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna need the $50. Come on, take the bites really fast. Really fast. Bite it really quick.
I'll take a picture of the money. The prize money.
Are we done?
Come on.
Are we done?
The winner, first place.
She
Yep,
finished.
you got one more bite right there.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
No, I see someone at the back. Look.
She's done.
What?
Your prize money. You owe me 10.
Oh, yeah, because she didn't owe you 10 more because you got her 6.
All right, you got anything to say? No? Do you recommend this challenge?